we need to add some code here after update. So here me dot filter equal double quote, then we'll type our student ID. Then equal whatever we select in our, we will concatenate whatever we select in our list box. So double quote, then and we will concatenate with our LST students. So whatever we select here, it will filter students. Then me dot filter on equal true. So this is how to filter our list box. So as you can see here, before, if you select this one, this data here will not update. So that is why we use this after update. So whatever we select in our list box based on this ID, it will show this text box. Look. Then I will add here button to reset our list box, this list box. Back color, then I will put captions you all. Then I will rename this one is BTN all. So if we will click this show all, whatever we select here, it will reset. So we'll put on click event. Then if we will click this button, so we will call our list box LST students. This is LST student. We'll copy to avoid any wrong spelling. Students that row source. So our row source is this one, student extended. So this is to reset our list box students. So this is to reset our list box. Select, okay, and I will put some, or I will put text box also here in order to count how many students inside this text box. I will change color for color. For color should be back color. For color Then here data, I will type equal. First I will copy again data equal, then I will paste our list box, then tab dot, then our will list count. So this is to count how many students are in our lists. Okay, so 35. Look, showing 35. I will make it bigger. So now we have list of students. The next, we will add another list box. Design list box. I will just select this one, then format. Then I will just modify here instead of shadow, sunken. Then here I will change to alphabet. Then I will rename this list box to LST alphabet. So this is the name of our list box. Then we need to add our row source. Row source is obviously this alphabet. I just double click. So this is our row source. Look. So now not yet working because we did not put our query in order to filter. I need to fix first this height. Okay. I will make sure that the same height. Tab, then size to list. Then I will change the, I will copy the color. Here for color, we make it red also. Then bold. So we have now an alphabet, but as of now it's not working. If we will select, still there's no any filter. Now we need to create another query just to manage our alphabet filter. Go to create, then query design, then we'll add, I will go to query, then students extended. I will double click that one. Then I will select this star. I will drag all, so meaning to select all fields without entering one by one. But if we select this star, whatever the fields it's shown here. Then I will select this font name, because we will filter by letter based on the font name. That is why we need to add some criteria here. Ascending, then I will make it zoom here. I will type like, then we'll put here forms, then close bracket, then our form name, which is FRM students. This is our name of form, then close bracket. Then I will add our list box, which is alphabet. So L is T, alphabet here, close bracket, then and, then double quote, then star, then double quote. So this is our criteria in order to filter our font name based on our alphabetical letter. Then save. I will rename this one is student name filter. Is name filter. Okay, then we will close. Now here, if we will select this one, whatever we select, it will filter into our list of students. So we need to add code here, date, event, then after update, so LST students, then row source equal our query is name.filter. So this is the one query which we made. Look, if I select this one, automatically it will filter whatever we select, whatever letters that we select here, automatically it will update also into our list box. Then next, we need to filter also based on subjects here. Now we reset, then we will select. Now it's working fine. Look, if I select L, so it will 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will show also here 6 students selected. Okay, now we will create another query for our subjects or CBO subjects. So I will just copy this student name filter. I will copy, then paste. I will rename this query to subject CBO filter. This is the name of our query. Then I will select this CBO subject. I will copy because we will use this name here, CBO filter. So instead of full name, since we will filter by subject, so I will just drag the subjects, and here I'll just paste CBO subjects. Then I will copy and paste here. Then I will remove this full name. Again, this is form, this is students, where our combo box located. Then this is our criteria. Okay, but before that, I will modify so that whatever we select here, the CBO subjects must reset. So here I will modify event is name filter. Here I will type CBO subjects must be null. To avoid any conflict, if we select this one should be null. Then here we need to select and create the row source. The row source for this one is the subjects, students. Then we'll just only select subjects. Look, but here it's showing double, so we will get rid of this double because we will select only Filipino, mathematics and science. How? So just select this one. Here we will just add distinct here, this tank, then space, so that if we will select our combo box, look, only this English, Filipino, mathematics and science. So as of now, there's no any filter yet. If I click this one, automatically it will become null. Then here, after update, we need to put some if statement. If is null, so meaning if this CBO subjects is null, then we will call our button btn all, click. So meaning we will call if this CBO subjects is null, so we will call this show all, this button, in order to reset our list of student here. That is why here call. Instead, by clicking this one, we can call this button in order to execute. Here, in order to execute this button, we'll just only call this one btn click using our statement if our combo box subjects is null. Then me that filter on equal false. So there's no any filter happen if our combo box is null. Then else, so if not null, meaning if we have some selection, so we need to execute our filter using this combo box. Me that filter equal double quote, then open bracket, then subjects, which is our field, then close bracket, then equal, then we will concatenate whatever we select into our CBO subjects, and double quote, single quote, and double quote. Then me that filter on equal true, then our this one, if we will use this combo box to filter by subject, so this also must be null in order to avoid conflict our selection from our combo box. I will copy LST alphabet, true, then LST alphabet equal null. So it is opposite from our CBO subjects. If CBO subjects is null, it will call or reset our list. Then if we'll choose whatever subjects, so it will also null our selection in alphabet. Then here LST students row source equal this one CBO. So this, if we will select this one, so our list of students row source will change to our query, which is subject CBO filter. So this is the name of a query, then NF. Diba? Okay, everything is fine. Again, if we will select this one, it will filter based on our alphabet. Then we will set. Then if we will select this one, if I click this English or subject, we have some issue here. We need to modify some spelling here. Subject student. I need to put some this one single quote here. So double quote, close open or close bracket, then single quote, double quote, then we will concatenate with our CBO subjects, then followed by double quote, single quote, and double quote. Again, we'll select. Now it's working. If I select English, if I select Filipino, look, as you can see here, if I click this one, automatically this combo box will reset. If I also use this filter by subjects, this particular list box also will become null. Look, in order to avoid conflict, which our list of students is the display of our two options of filter. Okay, now we will reset. We'll select A, B, C. Look, everything is fine. If I reset, then I select, automatically also it will selected here. And if I choose this English, Filipino, mathematics, science, and reset. So this is it. This is how to create filter based on our alphabetical character with the starting letter here. So whatever the starting letter from our students here, it will also filter based on this alphabetical character. Thank you and God bless.